Have you ever thought about how your senses come into play when self-maintaining your hair? Let me take you through the process using my screen mirroring setup for retwisting my locks. First, our visual system. It's essential for viewing our reflection on the screen, assessing the state of our hair. We can see details like length, colour, and areas needing attention. The screen mirroring provides a real-time view, helping us make precise adjustments and corrections. Next, our tactile system is crucial. Using our hands and fingers to move locks and hair strands, we can feel the texture, pressure, and temperature. This feedback ensures we handle ourselves carefully and consciously, and our hair is smooth and properly moisturized before manipulation. I use a water and oils product in a foamer bottle to add moisture, and my tactile senses let me know if it's evenly distributed. The proprioceptive system helps us understand the position and movement of our body. When reaching behind our head or adjusting our position, proprioceptors in our muscles, tendons, and joints give us a sense of where our arms and hands are in relation to our head. This coordination is key when sectioning hair and securing it with clips and hair ties. Our vestibular system assists with balance and spatial orientation. While adjusting our posture to get different angles, it helps maintain stability and prevent losing balance. This system ensures we can move our head and body without disrupting the maintenance process. Finally, the interoceptive system monitors our internal bodily states, such as comfort and fatigue. It alerts us to sensations like neck strain or discomfort from holding a position for too long. This awareness prompts us to adjust our posture or take breaks to avoid physical discomfort. All these sensory systems work together to facilitate a smooth and effective hair maintenance experience. If you've learned something new and want to know more, comment senses below.